Need a little extra cushioning? Try a 5mm yoga mat from Gaiam. At 5mm, this mat is almost twice as thick as a standard yoga mat to give you extra cushioning for your elbows and knees. It's got a great tacky feel for non-slip performance, and it's latex-free. Available in a variety of solid colors and fashion prints, this mat comes with Gaiam's lifetime guarantee. You also get a free beginning yoga download, just what you need to get you started or keep you motivated at home. For added cushioning and comfort, try Gaiam's 5mm yoga mat.
Hey there, I'm Julie, and today we're talking about Manduka's signature yoga mat, the legendary Pro Mat. This mat is super dense and supportive, but you can still feel the presence of the floor underneath it. This mat is going to last your lifetime. It's never going to peel, flake, fade, or compress, and if it does, we'll replace it. It's super easy to clean. We recommend doing so with our signature mat wash. The closed cell surface prevents sweat from seeping in, so that basically reduces odor and bacteria, which is a common kind of gross problem associated with most yoga mats, not so with the Pro Mat. The grip gets better over time. You can wear this thing in and it's never going to wear out. It's like a great pair of leather shoes that kind of responds to your body over time and becomes this familiar staple in your life. Like all Manduka products, this mat is sustainably made, and the Pro Mat in particular is made in a zero emissions manufacturing facility. Practice on.
The HemingWeigh Extra Thick Foam Yoga Mat is the perfect mat for yoga or any other workout. There's a reason it's one of the most popular mats found in yoga studios, fitness clubs, schools, and at home. The high-quality thick mat will last much longer than your standard mat. It's one of the thickest mats on the market and is extra long at 72 inches. The cell material makes floor workouts much more comfortable, and the non-slip surface grips the floor to prevent injuries. The moisture-resistant skin is easy to clean after use. The mat is latex and heavy metal free, and the inks and dyes are phthalate free. Enhance your workout today and invest in a HemingWeigh yoga mat for a better and more complete workout experience.